Fight, because when we fight, we win.
On this President's Day, crowds gathered at the President's house on 6th and Market Street in Philadelphia to protest in a fight to restore several slavery exhibits. And today, a federal judge ruled that the exhibit's removal was unlawful.
Yeah, it's a fight that's been going on for nearly a month. And News 8's Michael Fuller is here with reaction from protesters and also from right here in the Susquehanna Valley, Michael.
Yeah, guys, there's been a lot of back and forth of what should happen next. And that exhibit honored the lives of 9 slaves held by George Washington at the National Landmark. And the ruling coming down from a federal judge says the exhibit should be reinstated. So according to federal judge Cynthia Roof, who issued the ruling, she says the president's house represents the city, fulfilling an obligation to tell the truth, the whole complicated truth. Removal of crucial interpretive materials strips the site of that truth. Now, this all started back on January 22nd when National Park Service workers tore down 34 slavery panels without notice. That led to a lawsuit and hearing with community groups fighting alongside the city of Philadelphia. Now, Justice Department lawyers argued that the federal government has the right to express its views on these subjects, but the judge said unilateral changes that the Trump administration made at Independence National Historical Park actually violated federal law and longstanding agreements requiring consent of both the city and federal government. And today, protesters shared their thoughts about the ruling. And back in Lancaster, folks say that even with this ruling, their fight is still not over.
It's no other blessing that we could have gotten today beyond this. This is the ultimate.
We appreciate the efforts of the protesters and also the consciousness of the judge. And we appreciate that. But once again, we stand on, educating ourselves. Mm-hmm. Yes, that is our direction to go in. Mm-hmm. Because we've been under a position in this country as African Americans for, a number of years of being so miseducated by a system that it was not really interested in educating us properly.
And this city and organizations expect an appeal from the federal government. And right now, there's no word on when the exhibits will be reinstated.